Welcome to WeKinnect Global Branding Agency. My name is Lisa, and we are your strategic partner in elevating brand presence through innovative marketing solutions and premium promotional products. At WeKinnect, we recognize the diverse needs of businesses and offer 3 flexible engagement models tailored to your operational preferences. First, our independent execution model, or do-it-yourself, empowers you to leverage our advanced platform on your own. This allows you to manage your marketing, such as social media posting, or place orders for premium promotional products with complete autonomy using our AI-powered platform. Second, the collaborative partnership model, known as Do It With Us, encourages a cooperative approach. In this model, you maintain oversight of specific marketing tasks while our expert team manages the rest, combining your insights with our specialized knowledge for the best results. Third, our full-service delivery model, or Do It For You, offers complete management. We take care of all parts of your marketing strategy, from planning to implementation, so that you can concentrate on your primary business goals without operational distractions. As an entrepreneur, it's essential to focus on working on your business instead of in it. By delegating marketing responsibilities through our models, you can free up your valuable time for strategic growth, innovation, and leadership, fueling sustainable success and scalability. We want to invite you to explore how WeKinnect can align with your vision. Please reach out to us today to discuss the model that best suits your business.